Today, we're going to talk about the best 5 gifts for someone who have a 3D printer. My name is Bashar and this Stock 3D Printing. Now, if you have a husband, a wife, or a girlfriend, or a boyfriend, or a friend in the 3D printing world, this is your guide to find some good idea for a gift. Most of the idea will be good for people who have a FDM printers, and those printers usually use a filament, and the most common one. Let's start with number 5. Number 5. Tools. Most of the people who have 3D printers need tools, just as a cutter, screwdriver, but the Allen key is the most tools we use with our printers. Usually when you buy a new printer, it's come with the Allen key kit, but they are not the best. It's a good idea to buy an Allen key set, but make sure they are in good quality. There is a lot of options available in Amazon and Home Depot. 3D printer accessories. Now, if you own a 3D printers, there's a lot of maintenance and changing and upgrade for the printer. And the most important thing, you have accessories for your printer. There's a lot of accessories for 3D printing sold as a kit. But my best one, and I really like it, it's from Filament Friday. It's have a unique kit accessory that have a lot of stuff. It's very helpful. I will leave the link below in the description. Number 3, indoor camera. Most of the 3D printer, they are slow. Minimum model sometimes will take 30 minutes. Minimum. And there's sometimes printer will take 24 hours or more. That's why indoor camera is essential to monitor those printer. That's why it's a really good idea to buy one of those indoor camera. Number 2, filament. Trust me, it's the best thing to buy. Anyone have FDM printer, I would love to get a present as a filament. There is a lot of brand and color, but there's 2 things you need to be aware of it. First is the size. You make sure you get the right size and the type, which is PLA or BTG. But the most common 2 things for those is 1.75 as a size and a type of filament PLA. If you'd like to know more about filament, leave me a comment below and I will be happy to help you. The number 1 should be for sure buy a new 3D printer. And who doesn't love to get a new 3D printer? Now, I review a lot of printer this year, but if I recommended 2 printer, for sure I will recommend it Focus Odeon 5 F3 as the low budget under $350 and the Incubic Fiber under $600. If you would like to know why, please watch my video review list. It's going to show up in the corner. In the end, this is my video for today. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and please leave me a comment below. What do you think is a good idea to buy a gift for someone in 3D printing world? And as usually say, please keep printing.